something different? Ah! You get something different? She did. I did. She got something different. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna open.
This is the new Num Yums. It's the Mystery Sweet Treats. It's a 25 special edition Num Nums. And so
We got it from Target.
yeah, we got it from Target. The packaging is really nice. It looks like a present, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Don't you guys like the colors?
Yeah, they're really pretty. But
It
there's
is.
2 mysteries. There's actually 4 mysteries.
There's gonna be a lot of mysteries. So we're gonna open
These
this
are,
up.
I think these are new ones.
Yes, this is the new one, I believe.
I think there's new Nom Noms too. Let's open them up. Did you guys know you can use these like for cupcakes? If you
It
guys
looks
make,
like a cupcake tray.
Yeah.
Zoe, keep it in there.
if
Zoe,
you guys
keep it in
make
there.
cupcakes, you can use these.
Show the camera. It looks like a cupcake tray.
You can use it.
You can't use it.
We can.
Let's open the first one.
No, so I opened one.
Just leave it in there. Yeah, leave it there. We're gonna open one. You're gonna take turns. So Yasmin's gonna open the first one. Wait, Zoe. Wait, Zoe. Put it back.
Oh my God, guys! I got this one. It's like orange and yellow.
It's orange and yellow. It's called Autumn Cream.
Autumn cream.
What does it smell like? Smell like pumpkin, kinda? Nice.
Let's put
Okay.
the hats over here.
Now it's Zoe's turn.
Ah! Can you help? Oh my God! I want this one.
Smell
really
it,
bad.
Zoe. Show the camera. Show the camera.
Wow.
It's called Velvet Strips. Smells like velvet. Leave it on the table, please.
Oh my God! Let's put all of the hats over. Something. Why are we getting the hats only?
What does it look like?
I think it's strawberry.
It is Swirl Shirley. What does it smell like?
And we're strawberry.
It smells like strawberry.
Smell it.
You want this?
Smell it, Mom.
That smells really good. Okay, Zoe's gonna open hers.
Put the hats over here. And then all the yum-yums we get. Don't!
No, Zoe, don't cut the toy.
Oh my
Did
God!
she cut it? Oh no, she. What is that? What colors are they?
Teal and yellow. Kitty.
This is the berry one. It's the berry gloss.
Oh, there's actually wrap on it.
Yeah, don't open it yet. Put the trash down.
Can I have the scissors? Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. It's another hat. It's another hat. I know that. I know. It's another hat. Oh my God! I want this one forever. A pink one.
What colors are they?
A blue and pink and blue.
It's CC Splits.
Oh my God! It smells good.
It does.
Smells so good.
What does it smell like?
It smells like hand, like a cupcake mix.
There you go. You got it.
You got it. I have the trash here. What did you get? Why? Ah! Oh my God! I want this one forever. I want this one forever. Get it, cookie. Let me smell it.
Show the camera. Let me see it.
Me. It's
That one is Millie Mellow.
It's mine. Put it right here, Zoe. Wait, just move it.
Smells good, Zoe?
I don't know what it is. It's a pink one. A pink one.
Ooh. That one looks pretty.
Yeah, sure, me too. It smells good too.
That one's Riley Razzie.
Cut the top. Good job. You did it. Ah!
What this?
Did you get it? Yeah. Did you get something different? Ah! Did you get something different? She did. I did. She got something different. Oh my god, we got something almost like something like this
Does it
one.
look like? Let me see it.
I'm gonna show it.
Which
I'm
one did you
gonna
get?
show it. We got this one.
Let me see, Zoe. That's
This
the
one,
you
this
got.
one.
What does it look like? Show the camera. It has a little white top.
Me too.
CC Puffs, I believe.
Yummy. I got the last one. I got the last top.
Oh, that one's so cute. Let me see. Let me see.
It smells like coffee.
It smells like coffee.
Mommy,
Let me find that one here.
it smells like coffee.
Hold on, let me see what it's.
Like a coffee.
Oh, that's s'more. That's sweet,
s'more.
sweetie s'mores. Does it smell like?
Mommy, I want to open. Mommy.
So you got it?
Yeah. Ow. Why are we getting only the hats? I have a hat.
We'll find the gloss ones.
See, Mommy. Oh my god, I see the face. I don't see your face.
Let me see. What colors are they?
Yeah, they're pink. No, yellow and red.
It's yellow and red. Let's see. That one is Mystery Monica. What does it
Yeah.
smell like?
Mystery? It's something pink. Yeah, pink. Ooh, pink. Yeah, PVC. Pink. I'm gonna show. Look. I'm gonna show. It
Let
smells
me
like
see it.
Jello.
Let me see it.
Jello. What is it?
That one is, what color is that one?
Pink.
It's just all pink?
Oh.
Can't find that one.
You gonna miss her? She got another one. Oh my god, it's the same thing.
Ooh, what color is that one?
It's a gold and
Is
a
it
pink.
pink?
And a
Oh, okay. That's
And
a
then-
very vanilla gloss.
And then there's
That has-
like an orange, pink, and then a yellow one. And I'm gonna open mine. I almost got a unicorn one. I got a unicorn, guys, almost. Like a unicorn.
Which one's that? Pink and blue? Is that pink and blue?
Pink and blue. There's a little.
Let her take it out.
It's like a peach color. A peach color. It's a hot dog. A hot dog.
Let me see
It
it.
looks like a hot dog.
Okay.
Nice
It's
smell.
orange.
Can I smell it?
What does it smell like?
Orange?
Orange?
Apple.
Let me see, Zoe. It's a little swirl on the top. Does it smell like peach?
No, orange.
Precious peach.
It's open mine, kids. I want this in forever. This is the one I was hoping for. Oh my god! We got a sparkly one.
Oh wow, it smells like mango.
Yeah, it smells like mango.
Mango sparkle. Zoe,
Smell this.
smells like mango,
Does it
Zoe.
smell like mango? Yeah. We got like a colorful one. I think no one got this before. Oh my god, it's a blue one. Like a purple and a blue. It's a pinkish blue. Oh my god, that's so cute. I have.
Let me see, Zoe. Turn it around.
What
does it look like?
It's a little kitty cat.
It's pink and blue.
Mm-hmm.
One is bubble pop.
Bubble pop. Thank you, Mom. Like Yay, I did it. It's something different. Pink. Pink and yellow. Pink and yellow. Me too.
What does it smell like?
Me too.
Let me see the front of it.
Me too, Mommy.
That one is lemon pop.
Ooh, it
Smells
smells
like
like lemon. Ooh, it's a special one. Green. Green one. Green one.
It's a green one?
No, it's yellow.
No.
Yeah, if you put it in the bag, it looks like green. It has fruit.
That one's citrus pop.
A gummy. Can I smell?
What does it smell like?
A gummy. Smells like
Citrus?
gummies.
Citrus?
Smells like gummies.
Gummies.
There. Oh my god. I wanted this Mommy.
That one's Wild Wally.
Mommy.
What does it smell like?
Mommy, me too. Smells like Mommy.
What? Cotton
Whipped
candy?
cream.
Whipped cream?
No, actually it smells like candy. Pink! Something pink. Ooh, pink. Oh, happy. You happy? Yeah. Ooh, you got something different. Pink! Thank you.
What color is it? Let me see.
Pink and orange are like a pink. Like a pink.
Hold it up so I can see it.
Pink and a peach.
I can't see the top part.
Sissy.
Pink and what does the top look like?
Like a little bow.
That one's Bubble Puff. Oh, it does look like a.
Thank you for opening it for me. Wow. Ooh. Smells like pancake.
What does that look
Smells like pancake.
That one's Ice Cream Sammy.
Oh, it smells like ice cream.
Smells like ice cream sandwich, maybe?
Mommy, me. It's your turn now. Pink and purple.
Pink and purple?
Yeah. No.
What color is it?
Oh.
That one, I believe, is. Zoe, can I see? That one's pineapple jelly. Does it smell like pineapple? Let me see, Zoe. Want to open the lip glosses?
Yeah, let's open them. Let me put
Smell
some
good?
on. Put it on your cheek. No!
Your lips. Zoe, lip
It's
gloss.
Lip gloss.
The lip glosses smell good?
Yeah, I can take some to school. Yeah, good. Really fun. And we put in all of the yum yums inside our little houses. And we're putting some lip gloss.
And they smell really good.
Mm-hmm. But these don't smell. These all smell really good. And I think we got all of them. You guys can go to Amazon or Target to get some num nums. Bye guys. Give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and comment down below. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
No, no, no.
Honey.